Hey, day 11. So you finally reached day 11 of self-love challenge for 11 days. Congratulations.
Congratulations to us too.
Congratulations to us also. हमने भी 11 दिन का वीडियो बना लिया. This is amazing. All right, so big congratulations. I know it's an amazing feeling because when we did this exercise with our platinum members, we know what we felt. So I can just relate to your happiness right now, right?
Yes, and they can also. I'm sure they all have seen the videos and they can also relate to this happiness. So congratulations.
Congratulations. And in case you're here for the first time, well, go back and watch those 10 days and do it one day at a time, the self love challenge of 11 days. For your easy access, we've given the links of all the 10 days below this video so that you can go and watch it. Now, 11th day is very important. But before that, in case you don't know me, my name is Mitesh Khatri. This is
Indu Khatri.
We are law of attraction coaches and national best-selling authors of this book, The Law of Attraction. So 11th day is beautiful. What is 11th day exercise?
11th day, we are going to look into the mirror 5 times in a day for 1 minute every time and look into your own eyes through the mirror and say, I love you.
That's it.
It looks simple,
That's it.
it is not. That's it.
It's not, that's it. 1 मिनट आंखों में देखना है खुद के
खुद के
5 बार दिन में and keep staring at yourself, keep looking in your own eyes.
Lovingly, not
Lovingly,
staring.
हाँ, ऐसा डराना नहीं है, ठीक है? प्यार से देखो. Imagine करो शाहरुख खान आपकी तरफ देख रहा है. या if you're a boy, then imagine कटरीना कैफ देख रही है. But see yourself with love, and as you're looking deep in your eyes, keep for that 1 minute, keep an alarm for 1 minute. That full 1 minute, keep saying, I love you. I love you. Just keep saying, I love you. And when you say it, don't just say it for the sake of it.
Feel it.
Feel it. And I think it will be easy now because of the last few days that we
I
have
was
done.
just going to say that. It is easy. Yeah.
Right? So this is not an exercise that would have made more sense on the day one.
No.
But on the 11th day, the appreciation that you have for yourself as a person, the number of successful experiences that you remember for yourself, the forgiveness that you've done for yourself, the love letter that you wrote for yourself, the acceptance that you've developed by forgiving other people,
Yes.
the kind of person you've become in the last 10 days if you really did these last 10 days exercise. Now when you look in yourself, look at yourself in the mirror and you look in your own eyes, and now when you say I love you, I think you will really mean it.
Yeah, you will not only mean it, you will feel pride.
Yes.
You'll be very proud of yourself.
Yes. So please do it. 1 minute starting now. In fact, let's do it right now. Pause the video. And right now, do
Go to the
full
mirror.
1 minute of I love you to yourself in the mirror. Come back, continue this video. In the comment section, tell us how did you feel. But remember, you have to also come back later and tell me in the comments, how did you feel after doing it all?
5 times.
All 5
In
times.
one
today.
day, okay? आज ही करना है, कल नहीं
आज ही
करना
करना
है.
है. Yes? और ये भी शेयर करना कि ये पूरे 11 दिन के बाद कैसा लगा.
Yes.
That is the important part. And if you want to send us an email on what benefits you experienced, what results you started attracting, please send us an email at contact@miteshkhatri.com and continue to now learning more law of attraction techniques with us by joining our daily magic practice. Wasn't these 11 days amazing?
Yes.
Right? Even for us.
Even for us.
Right?
Yeah.
It's daily practice. Anything you do daily, you become stronger even if you don't want to. So come and practice law of attraction with us every day. We call it DMP, Daily Magic Practice. The link to that is in the description below. It's a very small fees for the whole month, but invest that for yourself if you really love yourself. Now I know you do love yourself, right? Do you want to share some examples of what happened when people did this exercise of mirror and saying I love you to themselves?
Yeah. So there is one person. He said that he used to not even look at the mirror at all, and he used to not say I love you to his spouse as well. Forget saying it to himself. When he first time did it, it was very uncomfortable for him, but he did it because he was following me.
So this can also happen.
Yeah, this can happen.
They can get uncomfortable first time.
But later, when he started doing it, he did it first time, then he did it second time. Third time, he had tears in his eyes.
Wow.
He started crying. He wasn't understanding why he's crying, but he cried. Then he still continued. That is a good thing about my platinum members. They all continue. Whatever I say, they do it. So he continued. Then on the fourth day,
Even fourth time.
he felt really good. And the fifth time, he felt very, very high.
He really felt that love for himself.
Love for himself, and he was super happy, and he was super appreciative towards himself, and he was very happy, and he promised me that he's going to continue this particular exercise for next few days.
Yep. I'll give you one amazing tip to really elevate this exercise and multiply the impact 10 times more. But before that, I want you to quickly share this video with 3 friends of yours again. Remember, you said, together, let's make this viral. Let's spread this self love to as many people as we can. This mirror exercise alone is so important for a lot of us because we don't really look in our eyes. In fact, many of us, we don't even look in other people's eyes. If you could really look in your own eyes, they say that you can get in connection with your own soul. We are so much not in connection with ourselves nowadays. We connect with others sometimes, but we don't connect with ourselves. The agenda of this exercise is make you feel so much love for yourself that is the same love that you felt for the first time when you fell in love with somebody else. But this time, feel it for yourself. So share this video with minimum 3 friends or family. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so that you get notification the next time we create another video on a similar challenge very soon. Now let me give you an amazing tip to multiply the impact of this technique 10 times more. You know what that is? Make a guess? No? All right. This is a surprise. Music. When you're saying I love you to someone, or even when you see it in a movie, if there is no background music, it seems different. But suddenly when you add that beautiful background music, ding, ding, ding. You remember that Kayamat Se? No, was it Kayamat Se Kayamat Tak? Or was it Kayamat Se Kayamat Tak? That was the song. And I remember that song so clearly. It had such amazing feelings because when I remember Amir Khan and that Juhi Chawla, and they were looking at each other, and when they had those feelings for it was the music that made it 10 times more impactful. So use your favorite love song. Not sad song, huh? Use your favorite love song when you're doing that for 1 full minute. But this time, that love song is not for somebody else.
It is for yourself.
For yourself. But I have some amazing love songs that I love to hear when I'm thinking about myself. Do it today. Use some amazing songs. Say I love you to yourself. Multiply the impact by 10 times and then share with us how did you feel. And if you want to give us a detailed email, please do contact@miteshkhatri.com. It has been a great privilege to work with you for complete 11 days. I want to thank you not only for doing the exercise, but also sharing it with so many people. Yes, Sindhu, you want to say something about their commitment for doing this 11 days exercise with us?
Yes, and I have a surprise for you too. So congratulations. Congratulations, everyone. Thank you so much for being with us, for doing this exercise. If you have come long way, and if you have done all 11 days, I'm 100% sure you have transformed as a person. And I would really like to hear from you that what has changed in your life, what change, what this exercise has brought you in your life. Do write to us. I would love to hear, and maybe in next video I'll share those experiences, of course without taking names. But do write to us, and we would love to hear from you. That is one.
Yes.
Now the surprise.
Now my
one.
surprise.
If you follow this challenge very well, if I get good amount of interactions and the feedback and success stories, then I will create one more challenge on money.
Whoa, okay, that's a surprise.
And I'm good at creating challenges.
Do you want to have a challenge for making more money in life?
If you want, then come back, share with me, then I will do it.
Do you know that in YouTube, in the analytics, I can actually see how many people shared this video, how many likes were there, how many subscribers happened on this particular video. The more we have it, we'll keep Indu's promise. We'll definitely create another challenge for money when we know that this video is already helping you. But how do we know that that it's helping you? When you let us know. Share this video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon. Keep loving yourself. We love you too.
We love you.
And I love you.
I love you.
See you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.